I find that the response from stationSMARTS is incredible. The staff has always been very helpful and also patient with my needs. So there are some times that I just don't understand how something works. The staff has always been helpful with giving me either videos or screen sharing or phone calls or a written explanation. There's been many different ways that I've had some tutorials, but at the end of it, I'm always knowledgeable and know how to do it. So it's very successful on that part. The video trainings have been very helpful for me because I can stop, pause, find, rewind, watch again. I don't have to continue to ask the same questions. Sometimes you find yourself with a situation that you may not have had to do that particular thing in a year or so, and you're like, I do not remember how to do that. And then I'll remember, oh, I saved a video on that.